dress. And you should know this by the way I finesse. Or you could see it way before I come. Ain't gotta say where I'm from, don't act dumb, I'm from Oakland.
With this vlog, I'm kind of gonna do like a little lifestyle type vlog. Kind of want to get a little change in pace. I saw Cats was in the gym on Facebook and was like, hold up, wait, ho, gyms is back open. Planet Fitness is the closest to me, so I'm just gonna go over to 24-hour fitness. This is right down the street from my fucking house. I do want to bring this in, but I only got 7% battery. That's obviously gonna die. 251. I try to do at least 45 minutes to an hour of cardio. Let's see how my heart works when we go in this hoe. Either put on a 3M95, look like a medical professional, or look like a swaggy boy. I think I'm going to do the N95 mask. So let me throw this on real quick. Shirts is dry out here, cuz. Let's make them wet. I'm with all this. Matter of fact, let me just jump in right here. Fuck it. I'm not gonna be able to film it because I'm gonna be doing work. But oh, I like this. Oh yeah, hella sweat. Yeah. Whew, it's just what I needed. It's interesting, I'm not tired. I'm still kind of energized or whatever. And it's just, you know, it's really interesting because I haven't really gotten to get into the gym at least since before the beginning of the year. That motorcycle slam fucked my ribs up. Slacking bit me in the ass, but I'm alright. That's kind of tight that I'm alright. It was just 3.5 miles, something light. I didn't really think I should be powering into a huge workout or back at the level that I was already at. So 3.5, well, 3.6 miles, 3.65 was what we got in today. 65 minutes. It was watching Fast and the Furious in there. Too Fast, Too Furious was on at first, then they was doing Tokyo Drift. I kind of wanted to stay and keep working out until after Han got his ass killed. But I could watch it at home. No need to stay in there with all them damn people. And a lot of people will probably be like, well, ain't you scared of like COVID, whatever? Like, I have not stopped working since this whole thing has been going on. I saw a check engine popped up the other day. Let me just check it real quick. PL850. Gonna clear it and then see if it comes back. All right, engine light gone. Let's go ahead and move the car in the RV parking. Damn near dragging frame on here. I need to pave this for show. The P850 is the neutral circuit problem. Yes, I don't have the neutral switch on the transmission nor the reverse light, so that's no big deal. I kind of figured that it was going to be something like mad trash, and yeah, it's no problem. Assetto Corsa Competizione started installing. It's done now. Let's see what it's like. All I've got is racing games galore.
Tomorrow.
They usually start about 4 o'clock. 3 for 3. Just hit that up. All right. Chill for a second because I gotta wait for a call specifying which job I'm gonna go to today. I got two. One's right around the corner and the other one's up the street. So it just depends on what we're gonna do for manpower and how we're gonna spread ourselves out. Now it's funny because the lake hasn't always been lit up like this. The reason the lake is lit up like this now is because last week somebody actually had a noose hanging from the area with I don't know, public access, and then somebody else thought it was funny. After the news got reported on, they showed up and put like shit in a trash bag and hung the trash bag like a body. While I have some spare time, I gotta put a video live for y'all actually. Well, I'll chill here, get some fresh air, and have the heater cracking. All right, so currently, if you can see this line of piping, myself and my partner, we're, making a fire alarm system for this place. It should be wireless, but it's not. So we've got to go through all of this BS. And this goes up into the units. Obviously, can't show you inside people's units. That's their sanctuary, but I'm running wire up through there right now. So this goes into the electrical room. That goes up into another unit. As the piping goes through to the electrical room, goes right across in there. So as we come up through here, across, boom, fire panel. After getting everything done at work, I'm headed home. I'm gonna film an Experience Game podcast, get that edited tomorrow morning so that it can be up and done Friday. I need to go and pick up the convertible RX-7. So I'm waiting on Jeff to call me, but I'm gonna move the truck out and the RX-8 around and put that back in RV parking and do all this extra rigmarole. So yeah, shit's busy. I'm busy. This is just literally my day-to-day grind. I do this stuff every day. I want to ride this R6 so bad, but I don't want to ride it until it's complete. Carbon fiber frame shit, it was saying New York, now it's just missing. I don't know where the hell that is. Livery, the livery that was shipped from the UK, that's finally in New York. ISC USPS is the same location that the carbon fiber frame was, but that is no longer showing, and this is still sitting in New York. And the funny thing about it is my frame should have been here. That shit should have been here last Friday. So where the fuck is my frame at, man?
Gerald.
Hell yeah. And the thing that's been going on with my cars ain't no telling. They just do weird shit when they feel like it. So Jeff has remedied our leak. The leak has come and gone. Vehicle, look at the shininess under this hood. Jeez.
Sorry, you got some energy drink.
That's all good. I'll run through, wipe her down. Handbrake up. Yep. All right, let's grab the bumper. All right. That's in and on. Got everything. Yeah, I'll put a couple miles on it and see what's going on.
Fun.
All right, dude. Appreciate you.
Let me know how it goes.
Yeah. Let me get her all home first. So that's like, it's 7 o'clock now. This is typically my 24, honestly. I'm spending the rest of the time filming the experience game, try to get that shit edited for y'all and get that shit up and cracking. All right, time to film. Yeah, I guess we blasting niggas today with the Duke Nukem. And the Settle Corsa Competition did just come out, so we got the competition over here.